Hi, welcome to Srimata Education. Dear students, in the previous two videos, we completed the two history lessons, most expected multiple choice questions. In this video, so we will discuss about the impact of British rule in our India. So after getting the political control over Bengal and other places, Bengal, Punjab and other places, the Britishers started to rule. The Britishers started to give the importance for the administration of our India and rule of our India. So that's why the first one is the civil services. Civil services. See, Lord Cornwallis introduced the civil services system to the India, and also he started the Fort William College in Kolkata. Fort William College. Why the Fort William College started? Civil service examination, to give the training for the civil service examinations. And also 1773 Regulating Act. Why the 1773 Regulating Act was implemented? Because the company people, they became corrupt. They became the corrupt. So another one is there, Lord Cornwallis said, all the native Hindustanis are corrupt. So he given one statement that all the local or native Hindustanis, Indians are corrupted people. So they may ask this type of question. They give a sentence, statement, and who said this? All the native Hindustanis are corrupt. Who said? Lord Cornwallis. And next one, the judicial system. In this judicial system, we want to give importance for two topics, two types of courts. One is their Diwani Adalat. Second one is their Fauzdari Adalat. Diwani Adalat means the present civil courts, and Fauzdari Adalat means criminal courts, and civil courts also. They are giving the judgments according to the Hindu scriptures and also the Islam Shariat rules. And second, another one is there, the police system, police reforms at the time of the British rule. Lord Cornwallis, again, the Lord Cornwallis, he introduced the Superintendent of Police Post. Superintendent of the Police Force, SP. The post of SP also created by at the time of Lord Cornwallis. And here we want to remember two important posts. That is called Chowkidar and Kotwal. Kotwal is the in charge of police station. And Chowkidar is the in charge of the village. To look after the village, they appointed the Chowkidars, and also they appointed magistrates. First time they introduced the magistrate system. And the military system of the British rule. Here they will give the military reforms taken place with the recommendation of the Peel Commission. Now one of the very important one is there, education reforms. First time the English education implemented at the time of the William Bentinck as a Governor General, he introduced the English education with the recommendation of the Lord Macaulay, who given a recommendation. Here two types. Here the two types of questions will be. They may ask. One is there, who introduced the English education? In these options, Governor General names are there. Means you want to write the William Bentinck. Who recommended English education in India? Means Lord Macaulay. He also one of the first law member of the British. So Lord Macaulay recommended. And also Dalhousie introduced the three universities in India: Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. And another one is the Charles Wood Commission, one of the important commission. It gives importance for the universal education. I hope this video will be useful. Please share, subscribe and like this video, and we will come back with another lesson.